Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. Been very busy, so I could make it earlier, but these are the trades last week. So let's get started. The day, trading day started on the 26th September, and I think it ended on the October 1st, right? All right. So this is the first trade, EURCAD, for 80 pip. Right? That's the first one, and EURCAD being already probably 7 or 8 short trades in a row. I'll show you. I'll make a whole separate video on that. All right. So USDCAD also 80 pip on the 26th. Right. Both sell order here. You can see. Now here you can see this pound yen. I had this. A lot of people ask me that, so where's my losers? So here's one. And then, I went up and I moved my SL to, maybe around like 10 pip, 8 pip, 10 pip risk, and it came back, took my SL, and then the second entry here, and it gone. So, I rather pay attention to this one than losing 10, 15 pip earlier, right? That doesn't mean anything. Those are just the cost of running a business kind of thing. That's all. And always, this is the setup, and whenever I make an entry, I put my SL right behind it, right here, right below the low. So that's how it is. Continue on the 27th. Here's a beautiful pound Nuzi trade on the 20-minute. You can see here that the entry was here, and after that, no looking back here, right? Now, and by the way, I mean, this is you can see here it's an Asian session, but before that, for example, here, this entry you might think that whatever this one, but this is, you can see it's at 5 o'clock. 5 p.m. is the most dangerous time for trading. Okay, 4:30, 5, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. After session open, like after 6 o'clock, if I find a good setup like this one, yes, then it's fine. But after New York close, maybe like 1 or 2 o'clock, market becomes dangerous, especially around 4, between 4 and 5. No trade for me at all. All right, here, this one, look, right, the first long entry and gone with the wind. 100 pip Aussie yen, 27th on the 27th, and this is Euro Aussie. Aussie was getting strong, so Euro Aussie yen went up, and Euro Aussie on the right hand side went down. Euro was helping as well. Euro is getting weak. So on the 27th, you have this one here, nice and clean to the downside, and EURCAD again. All of these entries. Look at this. This one, this one, this one, this one. Even before, not before this one. These are the ones. So I started the game started here with EURCAD, the first entry, second, third, fourth, and I have 4 more. So this is just on the 27th. 4, not 4, maybe 3 more. All right, so pound Aussie 20-minute on the 28th. Beautiful by the book entry here, right? This one gone, took me out of break even, and then this one gave me 110 pip. That's it. This is the one happened most of the time. Make an entry, it goes down, I sit on a break even, it comes back, hit me, then second entry, poof, all the way down. And that's how it is. On the 28th, pound USD from 7-minute chart from other computer, sell order, beautiful short here. It was bullish here, right? Mixed, and then all of a sudden it becomes bearish. First entry, I took it, and boom, all the way down. On the 29th, pound yen for 90 pip, first entry gone. Okay, this was earlier I showed you, right? And then it came down, and then this is what happened on the 19th. Oh, sorry, the 29th. The 29 pound USD again, where there was a first entry, and then it dropped, and 20-minute gave me another entry from here to here, 120 pip. Sell order right there. On the 29th, all the USD was getting strong now, and look what happened, right? Beautiful entry, first entry gone. 65 pip to the downside. This pair has daily range, small daily range, so that's how it is. This was a big move, but I still took a chance, and then this is what happened. Small, 50 pip, but something, right? Euro Newsy, beautiful entry here, and boom, 90 pip on the 29. 29 was a big day. EURCAD again, you see, I told you this first, second, third, fourth, and then this fifth one again is a big one. All the way down here, 130 pip. This is on the 30th, right? EURCAD from 20-minute chart. And then on the 30th, Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart, it was mixed here, bullish. Then it started to come down here, and then boom, became bearish. First entry and gone with the wind. There was a second entry, third entry. There's a lot of entries on 7-minute, but we're supposed to take the first one. That's it. And after that, we see the 20-minute chart. So this is how it came all the way down, and it went up. And right here, from entry to here, this yellow line is 95 pip. I don't count all the way down here. I count when I close. That's it. All right. So this is, these are the trades, all 12, 14 trades. And then I start working on something else now because a lot of people asking. So that's a Bitcoin, right? So I had a nice, trade today, not today, yesterday on that. And but here's the chart. I'm working on it. This is what I think now. It's a different chart and different brick size. I had to come up with that. And Elliott wave count 1, 2, side wave ABC, and then big 3-wave, wave 3, right? I don't know if it ended here or not, but it's supposed to end somewhere here. Supposed to. So let's see if this is the end of it, and then we're supposed to come down for wave 4. Then we will go back up for wave 5 later on, maybe next week. Okay. So this is how it is. Bitcoin daily chart. This is I'm following. These are highs and lows and all that. And right now you can see that this tier, this high, and then this little spot here, and then price came and hit the TL, and we are at the TL. So it might dip, right? Wait for wave 4, and then wave 5, we may break it and then go up around into one of these highs here, maybe all the way up. Okay, it's a harmonic pattern. If this is X, A, and B is 78 and C is 38, then D supposedly be on 127, which is way up here. So if we need to go there, God help us, right? So we have a long way to go, but this TL we need to drop first and then continue to the upside. And this is how it is. Okay, so this is my short term, like a 4-hour chart. Direction, Elliott wave, small Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, all of that. It's right here, step by step. And then entry chart is different. This is just the analysis, and then I have entry chart is completely different, which is basically this one. Okay, so the one I had was this one, and I closed it somewhere here. But after that, I had an entry here. Okay, I went long, but I don't know what the heck happened. That trade got closed somehow. Oops, I don't know. So I'm still learning about this Bitcoin, to be honest with you. So I just starting, and I'm kind of liking it because I come up with this chart, and you can see here beautiful entries all over the place. So I'm gonna just take maybe one trade a day or something, and then see how it goes. So far, it looks promising. Now this is the one I took, and it went all the way up. And then this is the one I took, but then it got closed somewhere here. And then when I came back, I went out and I came back. I says, "Oops, the price was here, but there was my order wasn't there." So God knows what happened. Anyway, so this is what it is, and have a very nice trading day, trading week. Today is Tuesday, and so far good trade. So let's keep it up, and talk to you guys later.